with this cooking. My hubby, he did this, my sweet love. That really good. So I did the rest of this. So here you go. I'm just add this pasta here. This is Australian salad style, guys, and they're really common and very well known. Very good. So here it is, a gluten pasta. My sweet love make the salad mixture and everything with apple cider vinegar. Oh, and put in the fridge for 30 minutes. And here it is, 10 or 12 minutes later, or even less, it's cooked. And hello 1 million viewers, happy Friday po. And this is the snake beans, alright guys, that I've been putting in the boiling. So I'm just gonna remove this. You know the reason why I did that? Hello guys, because I want them to stop the cooking process. So we're gonna remove that from the filter. Here it is. So wash it from the water and then now filter. So what I do, just leave it like this, leave it until the pasta will drain, and then the salad is here soon. And this, probably I'm gonna, while this one putting the one, lagay muna natin dyan. Ito, snake beans. I'll mix that one so it get more flavor. We do this. Okay, my love want it made more. Here, there you go, mate. This is a product from our garden. See, nice and fresh, chemical free. What else you could ask for, mate? There you go. 2 million viewers. Hello YouTube friends. Good evening. Hello. Ang dami ngayon nagla-live, ha? Actually guys, today or tonight, we just saw like 5 minutes ago. Very powerful lightning bolt. Wow, so amazing. There you go. Smell amazing. So I'm going to taste it.